Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 60 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Start by going into settings and scrolling down to access notifications and status bar. Following that, select Recent right next to App Notifications and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Frequency. Now just click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on by choosing the same now gray sweater. If you want to, you can also tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!